Okay, so this is going to be a test of the Sennheiser MKE 200. This is a little... Let me try this again. Okay, so this, as I said before, this is going to be a quick video for a test of the on-camera Sennheiser MKE 200 microphone. It's camera powered, so it's powered through the 3.5 millimeter jack. And yeah, it is always on if it's plugged in. It has this little dead cat on. Hopefully, I have adjusted my audio levels to be a little bit louder than usual. I have my normal microphone is going to be the Rode Video NTG. It has already gain inside of that, and it is battery powered, so it's going to be a lot louder. So I did have to boost the gain on the camera. So let's see how that sounds. All right, well, that was it was pretty quiet in here. Hopefully it didn't pick up anything. I'm going to go and turn on the fan. All right, so the fan is on right now at the unit right there. The AC controller here, whatever it is, it's on. It's actually on the highest setting, so let's pause and listen to that. All right, well, it is directional, so again, this is pointing towards me, so hopefully you can't really hear it that well, but hopefully this could represent something like a busy street, a busy room, something kind of like where you're hearing extra stuff. Now I'm gonna try one more mic as well. All right, so this is me using the Sennheiser MKE 200 mic on the camera. I'm not facing it, it is pointed downwards. So right now here is the mic I'm going to try. It is the SmallRig Wave L1. It is a lavalier. I got it for like 10 bucks on Amazon. Thought it'd be nice to try having a lavalier, and we'll give that a shot. Some literature, the lav mic. I'm guessing this is a carrying pouch. I believe this is a TRS adapter for the TRRS, and a spare windscreen. Cool. All right, let's get plugged in. Okay, so I have the MKE 200 in my hand, so it's no longer plugged in, and I have, well, there we go, a little mic, a little lav mic. So it's been clipped on me, and we'll see how this goes. Again, this one is the Wave L1 from SmallRig. It's a lavalier mic. I am using the TRS adapter from the TRRS that is come natively. So again, you can plug this into a cell phone, but again, you can definitely use this for, cameras and such. Let's see. I'm going to hold it out in front of me. It's a little bit louder if I do this. So again, it can pick up probably pretty well. Yeah, so let's see how it sounds. It's going to be, again, a pretty quick video. This is really just comparing the audio quality. I had to drop this one down, I believe. Yeah, I had to drop this one down 2 levels of gain from the A7 IV, and I think it's pretty good. It is a little more sensitive than the MKE 200, but again, this one is a lav mic, so it is supposed to be really close and pick up a lot of your voice without having to talk too loud. Where the MKE 200 is a directional small shotgun mic. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, there was one last test that I forgot to do. Right now, I have the SmallRig Wave L1 lav mic on me right now. I have put on the heating unit, or the AC, whatever it is, back on. It is on the highest setting, so it's on the highest fan, so hopefully you can hear that. I'm going to pause now. Maybe you can hear that, maybe you can't. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I kind of forgot to mention that I'm on a work trip right now, not for anything super fun. My full-time job, so I'm going to a workshop, a conference, and yeah, here in the city of London, thought I would shoot some content while in a different space than usual. Yeah, just thought I'd try more.